Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Inka Firda Rahman. You can call me Inka. I come from Cirebon. I live in Perum Harjamukti, and I am a teacher at SDA Temapaza. So now I want to explain you how to get there from my school. Especially, I want to show you how to get our teacher's room from the gate school. So this is my the gate. This is my our gate school. If you arrive at the gate school, yeah, you can go straight. You can go straight away, and you turn right, and then you turn right. You go straight again, yeah, and you you will find the toilet, and you must go straight away, and this is our teacher's room.